Mars, the red planet, has captivated humanity for centuries. Its rusty hues, visible even to the naked eye, hint at a past perhaps not so different from our own planets. Today, Mars stands as a cold, arid desert, its atmosphere thin and unbreathable. But what if we could change that? What if we could transform Mars into a second Earth, a verdant oasis for life? This is the audacious goal of terraforming. Terraforming, at its core, is the process of planetary engineering on a grand scale. It's about transforming a hostile environment into one suitable for life as we know it. For Mars, this means thickening its atmosphere, warming the planet, and ultimately creating conditions where liquid water can exist freely on the surface. Imagine, vast oceans teeming with life, lush forests stretching across continents, and a sky painted blue with the promise of a new beginning. The idea might seem like science fiction, but the seeds of this transformation lie within our grasp. We've already sent rovers to Mars, uncovering evidence of past water and hinting at the possibility of ancient life. We've developed technologies capable of manipulating atmospheres and altering climates, albeit on a much smaller scale. Terraforming Mars is an immense undertaking, a multi-generational project that will require the combined ingenuity and resources of humanity. However, the potential rewards are immeasurable. Terraforming Mars is not just about escaping a dying planet, it's about ensuring the survival of our species. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and securing a future for humanity among the stars. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore the unknown. But before we embark on this grand endeavor, we must carefully consider the scientific, ethical, and technological challenges that lie ahead. The fate of two planets and perhaps even our own survival depends on it. In summary, terraforming Mars involves transforming its atmosphere, warming the planet, and creating conditions for liquid water. It's a monumental task that requires global cooperation and advanced technology. Transforming Mars from a cold, arid desert into a habitable world is a monumental task, but not an insurmountable one. Scientists have proposed several methods, each with its own challenges and potential rewards. One such method involves harnessing the power of greenhouse gases, much like we've unintentionally done on Earth. These gases trap heat from the sun, warming the planet. On Mars, we could intentionally introduce super greenhouse gases like chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. These gases are highly effective at trapping heat and could trigger a runaway greenhouse effect, melting the polar ice caps and releasing trapped carbon dioxide. This, in turn, would further thicken the atmosphere, leading to a warmer and wetter Mars. Another promising approach involves using giant orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the Martian surface. These mirrors, strategically positioned in space, could focus solar energy onto the polar ice caps, accelerating their melting and releasing much-needed carbon dioxide and water vapor into the atmosphere. This method offers a more controlled approach to warming the planet, allowing us to fine-tune the process and avoid potential unintended consequences. Terraforming Mars offers numerous potential benefits for humanity. Firstly, it provides a safety net for our species. As we continue to grapple with climate change, resource depletion, and the ever-present threat of global catastrophes, having a second home planet could ensure our long-term survival. Imagine a future where humanity is not confined to a single planet, but spread across two worlds, each with its unique ecosystems and resources. Beyond survival, terraforming Mars presents an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery and technological advancement. The process itself would require us to push the boundaries of our understanding of planetary science, engineering, and biology. We would develop new technologies for manipulating atmospheres, creating ecosystems from scratch, and adapting life to thrive in alien environments. These advancements would not only benefit our efforts on Mars, but could also be applied to solve problems here on Earth. Moreover, terraforming Mars could pave the way for future human expansion and exploration throughout the solar system. With a foothold on a second planet, we could use Mars as a launching pad for missions to the outer solar system and beyond. The knowledge and experience gained from terraforming Mars would prove invaluable as we venture further into the cosmos. While the prospect of terraforming Mars is undeniably exciting, it also raises profound ethical questions. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential impact on any existing Martian life. While evidence suggests that Mars may have once harbored life and might even still harbor microbial life today, The process of terraforming could inadvertently harm or even extinguish this life. Some argue that we have a moral obligation to preserve any life that may exist on Mars, even if it means foregoing the opportunity to terraform the planet. Others contend that the potential benefits to humanity outweigh the risks to Martian microbes, especially if we can find ways to mitigate our impact. This debate highlights the need for careful consideration and a robust ethical framework for planetary exploration and terraforming. Another ethical concern is the potential for conflict and inequality in the colonization and governance of a terraformed Mars. Who will decide how Mars is terraformed, and who gets to live there? Will we repeat the mistakes of our past, exploiting Martian resources and creating a new frontier for inequality? Or will we seize this opportunity to create a more just and equitable society on a new world? These are complex questions with no easy answers, but they are questions we must grapple with as we embark on this journey. If you enjoyed this exploration of Mars and the ethical questions it raises, please subscribe and follow for more updates on space exploration. What do you think about humanity's future on Mars? Share your thoughts in the comments below.